Apple has 3 new iPhones that are all coming out at the same time. The iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I've got the iPhone 11 right here in the box, and I'm gonna show you what's inside. Now, the iPhone 11 is the sequel to the iPhone XR last year, but it's not called the iPhone XR2, it's called the iPhone 11. Just so you know that, because you'll take a look at this and say, hey, that kind of looks like the iPhone XR, but a little bit different. The colors have changed a bit. The boxing is pretty similar. So what I've got here is one of the new colors. It's green, or it's like a minty green, or it's like a 60s swimming pool turquoise green. It's an interesting vibe going on with this color. I think I like it. So here it is in the box. You can see the 2 cameras, that's new, because before the iPhone XR had 1 camera. Now it's got 2, but the Pro has 3 cameras. So it's always 1 camera behind. There's the logo. This is the 256 gigabyte model. The iPhone 11, I keep wanting to say XR2. The iPhone 11 starts at $699, which is actually less than the iPhone XR. Used to be. The iPhone XR now costs less. Let's see what's in there. Ah, there it is. The iPhone 11 in a very minty green. Let's pull this out right there and show you it. Nice and minty. This is a fresh, and the aluminum this time and the glass have a lot more matched color. Before they used to feel pretty different color-wise. Now they feel nearly seamless. So similar buttons, the display, still LCD, which they call liquid retina, same screen size, and still has lightning. No USB-C. Just so you know, it's about internal improvements versus external ones. Let's take the plastic off here. There we go. And yeah, so we're set there. I don't think there's anything else on there. So that's the phone. Let's lay that aside for a second. And you got your standard made designed by Apple in California slipcover thing with some materials inside. Hello. I mean, this is like as you would expect from any other iPhone. Your SIM tool. Hold on to that SIM tool. And fine print. Apple stickers. Okay. Nothing surprising there. Quite used to that. Then what's in here? Again, much like any other iPhone, the standard 5-watt charger. You get a better charger with the Pro. You get an 18-watt charger, but you don't get that in this box. Sorry. That's why you're saving money. You're not getting that charger. So take off the wrapping on that. I have like a million of these lying around. And once again, Lightning headphones. So nothing new here. Wrapped up like always. They used to include a little adapter. Lightning to standard headphone adapter, and that's not happening anymore. So sold separately, but you do have the Lightning headphones in the box. And Lightning cable. And that's it. That's what you get in the iPhone 11 box. Like any other iPhone. There you go. You can take off the wrapping here on the cable. And no surprises there. We can put this over here. And let's start up the iPhone. It's got iOS 13 and an A13 Bionic processor. Now, it's a step up from the A12 last year. It's supposed to be faster. It also provides better battery life and the phone as a whole, an hour more, supposedly, than the iPhone XR. And the XR already had great battery life. We'll see how it works in our testing. But I think the main gains here are that the dual cameras, there's a wider sensor, wider camera on the front-facing camera, and does slow-mo now for slow-mo selfies. The Face ID technology is the same. It's supposed to work the same. There it is. Hello. Welcome you to the world of the iPhone. Now, Apple says that the glass is more durable on this, but I'm not going to keep a phone in my pocket without a case. So we've got a case here. Apple's own clear case, which looks like there's nothing in this box. But there is something in this box. I'm going to open it up and show it to you. It's a clear case. I tried the clear case with the iPhone XR. It was nice. I mean, other companies make clear cases too, but Apple's got one. So if you're curious, here it is. One of the key differences is that giant square cutout, which is the thing on the iPhones. That's where the cameras are. Like it or not, there's a square cutout. So let's open this up. As always, very simple to tear and open up, and it's right there. It's hiding. It's like it's inside the case and you didn't even know it. And you pull that out. Hopefully a little, yep, there we go. And it's sort of flexible. So you can just take the phone and you can put it on there and pop it in. So once it's on, you can show off your color. That's why I like these cases actually, because if you're gonna bother to get an interesting color on the iPhone 11 or the iPhone XR, you probably would want a clear case like this. The real thing about the iPhone 11 that I'm looking forward to are the camera elements. There's a lot of things that I'm looking forward to testing. Things like the night mode, which looks spectacular, the improved video quality and stabilization, all that stuff, and the upcoming deep fusion mode, which Apple is promising, will take automatic photos that are even better and will fuse a number of shots into one. That stuff that's on the Pro phones, but it's also on the 11. So you're getting a lot of that stuff from the processor and the camera tech. Those cameras are all in here, minus the telephoto. So that makes this a really intriguing option at $699. Stay tuned and take a look at the whole review and a lot more of our camera testing on CNET. But that's what the iPhone looks like out of the box, at least the green color.